Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating or signing into a Microsoft account. This unlocks the free web apps. Once signed in, go to Office. And launch Word, Excel, or PowerPoint in the browser. These are feature-limited but fully usable. Make sure to install the OneDrive client to sync documents. This gives you 5 GB of storage and automatic backup. You'll save time and avoid subscription fees while keeping files accessible across devices. So begin with the account and web app step now. Once you have web access, supplement with a local Office suite like LibreOffice or OnlyOffice for advanced editing without a subscription. You install one of these suites to open and save. DocX, XLSX, and PPTX files convert where needed and review formatting after import and export. Meanwhile, keep OneDrive syncing. This lets you work offline and push changes when back online. You gain robust editing tools, full local control, and an offline workflow that mirrors Microsoft. To finish, export deliverables to PDF for consistent layout and recheck compatibility across platforms. This prevents lost formatting. If you encounter missing features, install browser add-ons for web apps or extensions for your local suite to bridge gaps. Make sure to resync OneDrive after edits so everything updates in the cloud. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or force a OneDrive resync. These steps resolve most sync and access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.